Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to fix YT Music app crashing on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix the YouTube Music app crashing on your phone, first we'll be required to open the settings of our phone. Before we proceed guys, we will be going through the 2 or 3 steps in order to fix our YouTube Music app crashing on the phone. So after opening your settings, scroll down guys until you can find the apps option available for us just above the location. Tap on the apps button over here just above the location, and over here guys, after landing on this interface, tap on the app management button over here, and let's let this load. And after this load guys, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for YT Music or YouTube Music over here. And after opening the YouTube Music and after searching for the YouTube Music app over here guys, tap on the YouTube Music app guys. And when you land over here, you can see the storage usage option available for us just below the data uses. Tap on the storage usage button. And over here guys, the first fix is to clear your cache on your phone. To do that, you can see the clear cache button. Tap on the clear cache button guys, and after clearing your cache on the YouTube Music app, open up your YouTube Music app and check either YouTube Music app is functioning properly or not. And after trying this fix guys, if it's still crashing, then go back and open up the Play Store on your phone. And after opening your Play Store guys, you will be required to check for if any update is available for the YouTube Music app guys. And on the Play Store at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your search button available or the search icon available for us. Tap on the search icon at the top right at the bottom right corner of the screen, and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for YT Music over here. And when you land over here after searching for the YT Music app, tap on the YT Music app over here, and if there is the update button available for us over here instead of the uninstall, tap on the update button, and then your YT Music app will be updated on your phone, and that might fix the crashing problem of the YouTube Music app. And after updating, check either your YouTube Music app is functioning or not. And after doing that guys, let's go back. And after doing those two guys, if your YT Music app is still crashing on your phone, then go back to the settings where we had cleared the cache on our phone of the YouTube Music app. And from now over here, in order to fix it, we will be required to clear the data. But before clearing data guys, you need to know, I think there will be a risk that will clear out all of the data saved on your YouTube Music app, including your logged in accounts. Your YouTube Music app will be like the new app when you had just downloaded, and you'll be required to sign in again from the start. And with that being said guys, tap on the clear data, and that will clear all of the bugs as well on the YouTube Music app. And with that being done guys, your YouTube Music app crashing on the phone might be fixed. But if it does not fix it as well, then try reinstalling your YouTube Music app from the Play Store. Tap on the uninstall button and install your YouTube Music app, and then it will be fixed whatever was causing the YouTube Music app to crash on your phone. And that being said guys, these are the fixes which you can try to fix your YouTube Music app crashing on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.